What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. And today we're gonna get that car, bring it in here, and we're gonna check over it. I haven't checked over the car. I've been saying this for a while. I have to do it. I have to, make sure everything looks good underneath, so that we can be ready for the next drift event. Yeah, let's pull that car in here and look over it, make sure everything is good and tight. But before we do that, look at this garage. Man, I need to seriously rearrange or kind of clean up this garage a little bit. So before we do all that, we're gonna clean this up. So hope you guys enjoy this little time lapse. All right, car is on jack stands. Well, these are good. That'll work. Got a jack stand in the back. And same setup on this side, jack stand. I always leave the jack there just in case. It's not lifting the car or anything, but it's locked in place, so in case something gives out, it falls on the jack. But car is not going anywhere. So yeah, let's check underneath. Let's see what's going on. Let's make sure that, let's start from the back.
That's what she said.
Let's make sure everything looks good. Let's see. You know what? Let me get a light. All right, this will work. Let's turn that on. And let's start back here. See, looks like nothing moved here on this arm. That one looks good too. Let's see. You know what? I forgot to mark these right here. Or did I mark them? No, I don't think I did. That one looks good back there. All right. Yeah, everything seems to be pretty good. Everything on the diff looks pretty good too. Let's see. Oh, I have the e-brake on. I'll have to take the e-brake. All right, so I released the e-brake. Let's make sure all of these bolts holding on the axles are good. Yeah. I think they're all in place. So this side looks pretty good. I might have to go back and just make sure this one is tight because I didn't mark it, and then I'll mark that. And also maybe the coilover. And I didn't mark this one either, so I'm gonna have to come back and mark. Well, it's marked on this side, but not on that side. So let's look on this side of the car. Yeah, it's pretty good. And then of course on the drive shaft, everything looks in place still. See, that's a good thing about marking these, marking all of your all your nuts and bolts, is that if you mark them, you know, you don't have to go back and, you know, recheck everything with a, you know, retighten everything up because it's already been marked. Unless it moves, then you can go back and, you know, retighten everything. But as of right now, everything looks looking pretty dang good. You know, I went off track quite a few times, and I was expecting to see some damage, and I don't see anything yet. So. All right, to the front we go. Let's see, tie rods is good. It's tight right there and right there. Huh. Oh, it's good. It was just dirty. I had to clean it off a little bit. It's tight right there. Yeah, for the most part, everything looks pretty good. Let's check this side. Also, might have to retighten these up because it looks like it's leaking a little bit. So yeah, we're gonna retighten those up. And over here, everything looks to be good too. Yeah, I think we're good, man. Yeah, we're good. Car's looking good. So I went under the car again, this time without the camera, because yeah, it was a little hard to, since the car is not that high. I mean, pretty fat, so I'm in there slithering like a snake, man. So yeah, I couldn't really be tightening everything up and looking through everything and show you guys with the camera. So I went back in there and tighten the things that I said I was gonna tighten and marked. Oil filter sandwich plate, I had to retighten that up as well because it was leaking a little bit, not too much, but enough to as you can see it's kind of oily, so enough for my hand to get dirty. So yeah, it's all tightened up now. And man, I don't know, I don't even think I need to check over the alignment. I might, well, you know what, I might want to check the toe in the front and the rear, but other than that, I think we're good to go. Car feels good. I drove it today when I went to go get some donuts for my kids, so I think we're good. Yeah, tires, we still have 2 brand new Valinos, and these are pretty good still, very good. These, man, they're not, I mean, they're missing some chunks, man, but we're gonna burn them off. I'm not even going to bother, so we're still gonna use these all the way up. Not enough to where they blow up, but just enough so I can get my money's worth. And these are still good. So these two went together, but for some reason these got overheated maybe, and see the chunks, some chunks fell off. But these are pretty much brand new. I barely even use these, and these I haven't even used. And right now I got some brand new fronts. These are Acceleras. So I think tire wise we're good. Only these are gonna need a new set, especially this side. Yeah, but other than that, man, I think we're good to go. So can't wait for the next drift event. And yeah, 240 is there. It's pretty. Still gotta work on this car. But for now, I wanted to make sure this car is good to go, because I don't like doing stuff last minute. I don't like getting ready last minute, because I think stuff don't seem to go right when you do it that way. So, well, this car is good to go. I might just check the toe on it, and yeah. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Sorry this video was kind of short. Not really much to do on this one, but we just had to check, make sure everything's good on this car. Everything's tight. Nothing is broken or loose. So I went back, retightened everything up, and remarked it. And I think we're good to go on this one. I might just check the toe in the front and the rear, make sure that's good. And other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll catch you on the next one. See you.